Dear students, good day. Let us start our session with Civics, Unit 2, Political Parties. In this session, we are going to learn about importance of political party, role and functions of a political party system in India, the role of opposition party. Introduction. In earlier times, emperors and kings ruled India. The king was the supreme head of the legislative, executive, and judiciary branches. Administration was in the hands of one person. The welfare of the people depended on the ruler. People had no rights to do against the ruler. Later, foreign powers made India as their colonies. The colonies became states after independence was declared. In 1950, India became a democratic country. A active democracy needs a strong political party system. Party system is a modern aspect. In a democracy, people are able to voice their opinions on any subject. Political parties. Political parties are voluntary organizations that acts as a mediator between the people and the government. A political party is a group of people who come together to contest elections and hold power in the government. What are the political parties? Political parties are the voluntary associations of individuals with broad ideology, identity who agree on some policies, formulate an agenda, and program for the society. Political parties seek to implement their policies by winning people's support through election. Parties vary in size and in the ways they organize themselves as well as in their policies. Any political party has three basic components: the leader, the active members, the followers. Importance of political parties. Political parties are the backbone of democracy. Parties are not part of a formal arrangement of a government, but they are essential elements to form the government. They formulate public opinion. They serve as intermediaries between the citizen and the policymakers. A party is recognized if it has been engaged in political activity for 5 years, its candidates secure at least 6% of total votes in the last general election. Types of party system. There are three major types of party system: single party system, bi-party system, and multi-party system. Single party system. A system in which a single political party has the right to form the government. For example, China, North Korea, and Cuba. Bi-party system. In bi-party system, the power is usually shared between two parties. Of the two parties, one becomes the ruling party and the other becomes opposition. For example, UK and USA. Multi-party system. When the competition for power is among three or more parties, party system. For example, India, France, Norway, etc. How to form a political party? Must get registered with Election Commission of India. Must have at least 100 members. Each member needs to hold a voting card. Must write a party constitution. Party system in India. Countries that follow a federal system have two kinds of parties. India's party system originated in the late 19th century. In fact, India has the largest number of political parties in the world. In India, we find the existence of political parties at three levels. They are national parties, regional parties, registered but unrecognized parties, that is, independent candidates. Every party in the country has to register with Election Commission. Election Commission of India. The Election Commission of India is an independent constitutional authority responsible for execute elections. Its headquarters is located in New Delhi. Every party in the country has to register with Election Commission. Functions of the political parties: provide loyal opposition, accountability and stability, nominate, select and nominate individuals to elected office, organize. organize political campaign, rallies, and announcement of manifesto to win public office, inspire, put forward different policies and programs for the welfare of the people, coordinate, connect the society and the state, coordinate among members elected to office, govern, form and run the government, and develop public policy. Characteristics of political parties. Political parties are consist a group of persons of common goals and shared values, have its own ideology and program, captured power only by constitutional means, effort to promote the national interest and national welfare. Also, they will have the party manifesto. During the campaign, before election, the candidates announce the programs and policies that their party will undertake if voted to power. Coalition government. In a multi-party system, a single party sometimes may not secure the majority required to form the government. In such a case, some parties join together to form the government. Such government is called coalition government. Electoral symbols and its importance. An electoral symbol is standardized symbol allotted to a political party. They play an important role in elections. They can be easily identified, understood, remembered, and recognized by the voters. The Election Commission has stopped allotting animals as symbols. The only exceptions are the lion and the elephant. The symbol of nationally recognized parties is standard throughout India. That symbol will not be allotted to any other party or individual. State parties are allotted to certain symbols that no other party can use the symbol in that particular state, but which different parties in different states can use the same symbol. Recognized parties. Parties that fulfill these criteria are called recognized parties. They are given a unique symbol by the Election Commission. A registered but unrecognized political party cannot contest election on its own symbol. This party has to choose one symbol from free symbol poll panel announced by the Election Commission. Free symbol poll panel. As per the Election Symbols Order 1968, symbols are either reserved or free. A reserved symbol is meant for a recognized political party. A free symbol is reserved for unrecognized party. Majority party. The political party whose number of candidates elected is more than the others is called the majority party. The majority party forms and runs the government. They select and appoint their ministers to run the government. They play a significant role in making laws for the country. Minority party. Those with lesser number of elected candidates are called the minority party. Opposition party. The party which gets second largest number of seats next to the majority party in the election is called opposition party. An effective opposition is very essential for the successful operation of the democracy. They are as important as that of ruling party. They check the autocratic tendency of the ruling party. They critically examine the policies and bills introduced by the government. They raise their voice on the failures and wrong policies. They highlight important issues which are not acted upon the government. The leader of the opposition party enjoys the rank of cabinet minister. Criteria for recognition. Election Commission of India has some criteria for the recognition of political parties in India. National parties. Criteria for national parties. A party that secures at least 6% of the valid votes in Lok Sabha election or assembly elections in 4 states. They must win 4 seats in Lok Sabha from any state or states. It has to win 2% of seats in Lok Sabha from at least 3 different states in the latest general election. Criteria for regional or state parties. A party that secures at least 6% of the valid votes in the state legislative assembly election, they must win 1 Lok Sabha seat for every 25 seats or at least 2 seats in legislative assembly, needs to win a minimum of 3% of the total number of seats in legislative assembly. Independent candidate. A candidate who wishes to contest in either of the parliamentary, state assembly but does not have a connection with the other parties may contest the election as an independent candidate. Difference between national party and regional or state party. National party. National parties are political parties which participate in different elections all over India. Regional or state party. Regional parties are political parties which participate in different elections but only within one state. National party. It should be strong enough in at least 4 states. Regional or state party. It should be strong enough in at least 1 or 2 states. National party. It has an exclusive symbol throughout the country. Regional or state party. The symbol is reserved for it in the state in which it is recognized, but the same symbol can be allotted to different parties in different states. National party. It resolves state, national, and international issues. Regional or state party. It promotes regional and state interest. Both national and regional parties trigger the growth of the nation and work for the welfare of the people. In this session, we learnt about importance of political party, role and functions of a political party system in India, the role of opposition party. Thank you.